My dear friends, in this new video we are going to discuss about power from renewable energy sources. This is the upcoming area of interest across the globe because the non-conventional energy sources are going to share the energy contribution in most of the energy requirement areas. The conventional energies like coal, diesel, petrol, nuclear all may not last for longer. It may be for another 50 to 100 years. But in the near future, we have to depend only on renewable energy sources. That is non-conventional energy sources. That's why the government of India is also having separate ministry for this, MNRE. So in this overall picture, I'm going to give about what are the different sources of renewables, how we are going to utilize those sources for power generation, and how much is being generated, what are the advantages and the limitations of various renewable energy sources. As we all know that hydroelectric power plant, which was the first power plant installed in our independent country around 1920, in that range they have started in North India with a very small capacity like 50 megawatts. Now we have across the country, in many places we have the hydroelectric power plant. In Tamil Nadu, we have the major hydroelectric power plant in Mettur. By utilizing that potential energy stored in Mettur dam, we are converting into kinetic energy and electrical, and we are generating nearly 500 to 1000 megawatt of power. So we are going to discuss hydroelectric power plant in detail. What are the types of hydroelectric power plant, layout of hydroelectric power plant, components associated with the power plant, and principle of working construction. The hydroelectric power plant, we have another type called pumped storage power plant. That also we will be discussing in the forthcoming videos. Apart from hydroelectric power plant, we are also going to discuss about wind energy. Nearly 1000 megawatt of power is being generated using wind. Tidal energy, solar photovoltaic, that is solar from solar. We are going to have solar photovoltaic and solar thermal, geothermal, biogas, and fuel cell power systems. The fuel cell power system, it works like a batteries, but it doesn't require any recharge. It will not run down. As long as fuel is there, it will be generating the power, but with the minimum quantity of power generation, with electrolyte and two electrodes placed in electrolyte. This is the concept of fuel cell power systems. Another important point is the biogas. Also we are going to utilize biodiesel. Biogas is being generated in many places. In the olden days itself, using cow dung, they were used for stoves for cooking purposes. They were used in the olden days. In many places we have the biogas plant using the waste food, waste vegetable, and other waste materials by means of generating methane, and we are utilizing for operating the power plant. So these are the points we are going to discuss in the forthcoming videos. With this brief intro, I welcome you all for the forthcoming videos, which will span for 5 to 6 videos covering hydroelectric power plant and power storage in one video, and wind, tidal, solar, geothermal, solar thermal also in subsequent videos. So with this, let me conclude this brief intro or overall view of power sources from renewable energy. Thank you.